If you struggle with acne scars or hyperpigmentation and want to get rid of them without spending a fortune, stay with me until the end because these tips can transform your skin. 1. Vitamin C. This amazing antioxidant reduces dark spots and evens out skin tone. Use a vitamin C serum or diluted lemon juice, only at night, and always apply sunscreen the next day. 2. Aloe vera. Deeply hydrates, accelerates cell regeneration, and reduces inflammation, helping to fade dark marks. Apply the pure gel to your skin and leave it on for 20 minutes. 3. Rosehip oil. Rich in fatty acids and vitamin A, it stimulates skin renewal and helps fade acne scars. Massage a few drops onto your skin before bed. 4. Natural exfoliation with oatmeal and honey. Removes dead skin cells and speeds up skin renewal. Mix the ingredients and gently exfoliate your skin twice a week. 5. Apple cider vinegar. Contains natural acids that brighten the skin. Mix with water and use as a toner before bed. 6. Green tea. A great anti-inflammatory that can be applied as a compress to reduce dark spots and soothe the skin. 7. Daily sunscreen. If you don't protect your skin from the sun, your dark spots may get even darker. Choose an SPF 30+ sunscreen and reapply throughout the day. Golden tip: be patient. Dark spots don't disappear overnight, but with consistency, results will come. Now tell me, which of these tips have you tried? Do you have any other home remedies that work for you? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing skincare tips.